Tell you when to. Hey there guys, it's me Legit Gaming here, and my sister will be taking over a video today. She'll be playing Subway Surfers. I just finished up making a video, and yeah. So let me charge this up, and tell me when you want to stop recording.
Okay. Hi guys, it's me, my brother's sister.
Hold on. Okay.
Hey guys, I'm sorry about that. My name is Rocket Girl. Well, my game name is Rocket Girl. My real name I'm not gonna really say. So yeah, let's actually just go. Okay. So. I might die a few times because I'm not that good at it, but at least I'm trying with it. By the way, comment down below in the description box if you guys like Subway Surfers. If you guys do, then you guys are welcome. If you guys have a YouTube channel or anything, you guys are welcome to, subscribe to my brother's channel, not mine, which I might make a YouTube channel. Darnacles. Okay, so I got 100. So I got this many points. 142. So I'm probably guessing that that's 142. So you guys really start off really slow, but then after you guys I'm 60, 90, stuff like that, I think you guys are going to start to go higher. So that's what I learned from my experience of playing Subway Surfers for a long time, which I do not play Subway Surfers that much, but I do play it sometimes. I decided to make a Subway Surfers video because there's no questions, so I want to do a Q&A, but I came because you guys aren't asking any questions. But my brother has not made a video in 10 months, but he decided to make a video because he was like, oh my gosh, that's too long. So he decided to make one. Why? There. Imagine if I. You see how I'm going fast from before and now after? Oh. I got a prize. Yay, I got a bunch of gold. I want some keys. Okay. I'm sorry if you guys are seeing this. I just want some more money. Now I'm not playing this game. Look how much coins I have, you guys. I should be able to, probably buy anything. Okay. So, is there any more people I can just... Okay, so I'm gonna try to buy something. So there, I just got a beatboxer. I wanna get another one. Again. Play the First, what the? I know what it says. 2. There's this guy with the beatboxer, I think. I'm not sure. Okay, I'm only gonna put 2 because I do not want to waste my money. So there, X. Okay. So let me first see if there is. These 6 beatboxers to get this guy. What the heck? What? Oh my god, that is not fair. No. Playing Subway Surfers. I'm not playing a sing game. Whatever it is. Okay. I've been dying a lot. Well, yeah, I've been dying a lot, so you guys want to skip the parts when I die, so the policeman is so slow, like really. Jump high, jump low, jump high, jump low, jump high, jump low. Ooh. You gotta be kidding me again. I'm so sorry, you guys. At least I'm trying with this, and I'm doing a couple rounds. I might be able to do like a Minecraft video. I might be able to get some more games, and I might be able to do some of those games. I'm not going to do nail games because there's some boys out there that like my brother's channel. So really and truly, I'm really not going to do any girl videos. But if I get my own channel when I'm older, since I'm a littler than my brother, which I'm not going to tell you my age, parents said. Jafranco, if your sister does a video with you, she cannot tell her age, she cannot tell her real name. So, yeah. I'm so sorry, you guys. And we're not allowed to show our faces. That's why we do, like, Minecraft videos, Subway Surfer videos, stuff like that. Game videos. Which my brother's using my iPod, of course, because I have an iPod 6. And he has an iPod 5. That was there for 4 years, and mine was just here for like a year. Isn't that glitchy? Well, it actually isn't glitched at all. So, you really gotta admit that my brother has a glitchy iPod. Darnacles. Okay, I'm probably going to do a couple more rounds because this video is starting to get too long. By the way, you guys, ask a bunch of questions because I really want to know what you guys want to say to my brother. But make sure you do not say mean things. Hey, cop. Okay, I was going really slow because this thing is like my iPod is being a slow poke. I don't want to play, so I know. I have 1, and we have to get 25. What the? Okay, now I'm not going to die at 23, especially because I'm not even at 23 anymore. It's pretty cool when you jump and then you just stop. Well, it's cool for me. Oh. Please don't say a high number. Okay, you guys, so I am going to be ending this video now because this is a too long a video. So now, bye you guys. Check out my brother's channel. So, bye. Check out my brother's YouTube channel.